Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be turning a large sycamore bowl with a natural edge, and we're going to be using various tools to turn this piece, but they are all from Easy Wood Tools. This one right now is a pro size at #1 hollower. All tools and even the lathe will be listed down in the description if you are interested. We're just going to start getting this round to a diameter of around of about 14 inches thereabouts, just so it goes over the bed of the lathe, so I'm able to bring up the tailstock to get a bit of support. Here's the mid-size finisher. And here's the mid-size rougher. There we go, just making a tenon right now. We're just matching the angles of the jaws in the chuck. We're going to do a last few cuts right now at the moment. But as you can see, we are turning over the bed at the moment. So we are in actual fact around about 14 inches in diameter. And now we'll switch to the #1 hollower, just to get them last few final cuts. And there you go. Alright, now we're quickly going to clean everything up before we flip it round. And here's the mid-size rougher. Here's the detailer just to clean up that tenon. And there you go. Alright, so now we are going to get to hollowing, and the first tool is the #1 hollower. Definitely by far my favourite tool of the Easy Wood Tools range this is.
I've been going out of my head, I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind, I can't get up. Tell me things I can't say.
There you go, just working a bit more along the edges. Getting it to our desired thickness. And now we're going to start taking out that big old chunk in the middle.
and highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that.
And there it goes. This is the rougher. And this is the finisher. Just take out any lumps and bumps that might be left over. And there you go. And go, just wipe away all of that sawdust. Give it a quick check. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so we're going to sand up to 240 grit inside the drill. And a bit of compressed air. I forgot to put the camera on, but I'd already started putting on the lemon oil. So that is what is being finished with this bowl. Just going to lather this all over. On the outside and on the inside. Took a good couple of coats. It was very, very thirsty.
Can you hear the words I'm saying? Can you read the thoughts I'm thinking? Hey. I'm not looking for your consolation.
Beautiful grain though. Alright, so I'm going to put a bit more on the inside. Or a lot more. There you go. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, share your friends, share your family, share your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.